Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, August 21. Time is around 7 GMT. And we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. This weekend I made a higher time frame analysis of the NASDAQ. I think there is a lot of interesting information there. So please have a look if you want to have a bit more context. So now the key for the NASDAQ is that like we are here in this zone where a wave 4 is supposed to end. So at the one hand, it could be that we have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as it is shown now in green. But it could also be that what I would call a trap, that we only get 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, that we finished here a wave B to the upside, like A, B, and that we then see more downside as a wave C. So if this is a wave 4, we really need to start seeing upside from here. Be it as the start of a wave 5, or be it as like some upside first, then to go into a second part of the correction again in 3, 1, 2, 3. So then the correction would be 1, 2, 3 like this, wave W, then a wave X, 1, 2, 3 up, wave X, and then Y again down, 1, 2, 3 down. Like this area for a wave 4 is quite big. This is something that is possible. Another scenario would be that this becomes a wave A, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, B to the upside, and then a wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Then we still have our wave 4. But now if we look at the the lower time frame, like here the idea was to to buy the pullbacks from the relevant areas. The good thing is that like each time we tried, like we got reaction to the upside. So every time I was stopped out again, but it was with the risk-free position, and this is actually what we've done all the time so far with the Nasdaq. Like if we like here in the 15 minutes, like if you look at my past videos, these were all areas from where I wanted to buy. Like, and this was quite successful. We had quite some successful trades in the Nasdaq here. And so here we were anticipating again a pullback, and buy again the pullback. So the wave 4 pullback. So here we tried, we got stopped out again. Then I think in total I did 2 or 3 attempts. Yeah, also here, and then also on this was Friday or this was Thursday. Yeah, also here, but again stopped out again, and then Friday I got out indeed. So now, like, this is not so exceptional that you have to do more than one attempt to enter your position, I would say, because you never know, will it be a single correction, will it be a double correction? But now for the Nasdaq, we kind of reached the limits, I would say, from where we should start to turn up. Because in the Dow Jones we are already out of the areas, and then I don't really like to take it anymore. We can see upside there, but yeah, you do not really have an area anymore, or yeah, like an entry level. Like here you have entry levels. Like I like to put my entry here or here on top, because you see there's always reaction from there. So the next entry I would like to take on the Nasdaq would be somewhere here, the lower boundary of this area. So this is the area that we can find by so here this wave y actually. So we take the length of our wave. Sorry, this is the wrong tool. I need the Fibonacci tool, of course. So we take the length of our wave w, we take our wave x, and then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area from where we should get reaction. We already had a reaction from this level. However, we failed. So now I'm looking here at, yeah, let's say the lower boundary of this area. So then I would also like this has to be a wave C. And yeah, for now, I do not see like any divergence, so it just looks like this wave C is not finished yet. So what I would expect from here is that this was only the tree, that we will now get something to the upside, like as a wave 4, but something that can fail again, and then wave 5 to the downside, and then hopefully here we reach this area from where I would like to go long again. So this is what I'm looking at the Nasdaq. If we zoom out, like, yeah, if we go to the 4-hour, like I said, like based on the lower time frame, we are reaching yeah, the limits for our WXY correction. So the danger is that yeah, that we do not get WXY, but rather an ABC. And if it is an ABC, then we will see probably more downside first in this area, because then our A should be an impulse, and then we have 1, 2, 3, then we need a 4, 5, then this can be our wave A, then wave B to the upside, messy structure, and then wave C to the downside. So that would be my scenario if we are still working on this wave 5 here to the upside. But like I said, and like I also discussed in my weekend video, we also have to keep in mind that after 3 waves, it can be over. So here it can be over actually. And that this here is just a wave B. So A, B, and then wave C to the downside. So this is definitely something to keep in mind. Do not believe that like this is the only scenario that can play out. This is never the case. You have to consider more than one scenario. If you stick to one scenario, you will, yeah, that's not good. That's not the way to do Elliott wave count in my opinion. You have to be aware of some scenarios and being prepared for each scenario that plays out, because the future is uncertain, and Elliott wave count just helps us to get to structurize this uncertainty, and to deal with it, to make sense of it, to do anticipation, and to do our entries. Okay, so that's my analysis. You know what I'm looking for. Another attempt for a long trade. Again, be careful, because as I said, this might also be become a wave A to the downside. So if you can create a risk-free position, make your position risk-free. If you're stopped out, that's okay. Just preserve your capital first, and then if you're not stopped out, then you will have successful trade. That's okay. But yeah, I would say from here, I think we are missing one more low here to finish this wave C, and then we should see what we get here next. I would expect if we get a nice rally to the upside, then it could be the beginning of our wave 5 to the upside. If we get something messy, then it's probably something corrective, and then we can look again to short from here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.